Okay guys, apa khabar? Kita berada di My Town shopping center Kuala Lumpur. Ini dia Audi Roadshow So dia ada A5, dia ada A4 yang baru. So this is the new A4, just arrived, hot off the oven. We will review this car very soon. So we will check out the car later. Please watch the video. This is the Q5. Okay, this is the Q5 with all the additional package. The rims are different, the finishing are different. So please watch our review. Video is already up. And then next one is A6. Okay, video will be coming soon to our channel. Okay, we have already done the review for the car. A7 video also out. Please watch the video. Yeah, A7. So there are five different models here. The Q3 Sportback is also available, but the car is outside, so it's for test drive. So any one of you who is interested, siapa-siapa yang berminat Audi Q3 Sportback, boleh datang, ada test drive. So kita tengok sekilas pandang, ini adalah Audi Q7 Sportback. Harga dia 600 lebih lah. So nampak, kita tengok kat belakang pula. Let's take a walk at the back. You take a walk at the back, then you will see the beautiful sexy backside of all the cars. Okay, this is A7 beautiful car. Check out our review. Sila tengok review kita. Look at the lights. Lampu dia memang menarik. Ini A6. A6. Ini ialah Q5. Okay, Q5 ini lain sikit sebab dia banyak aksesori tambahan. Tengok lampu-lampu belakang dia. Oh yo, memang tak boleh tahan lah. Okay, ini A4 yang baru sampai. This A4 just arrived. So tengok A4 yang baru new A4. Okay, video coming soon. And then this is A5. Okay, video also coming soon. Test drive also coming soon. Kita dah buat test drive sekali untuk A5 Memang kereta yang best. So siapa yang tak tahu, sila datang ke My Town Shopping Center ataupun cari IKEA Kuala Lumpur Bukan IKEA PJ tau, IKEA Kuala Lumpur, dekat bahagian Central Town lah, in the middle, di Center Concourse, where they are having the property exhibition as well. So kita jumpa lagi video yang akan datang. Bye bye.